Hey there, Adam Erhart here, and you're watching Modern Marketing Minute. And on today's episode, we're talking about the 3 things you need for success. The clock is ticking. Alright, so I buy a lot of courses. In fact, a lot is really kind of an understatement for the amount of content that I've consumed over the years. And this doesn't even begin to include the coaches or mentors or seminars or programs or even a degree in marketing. I mean, basically, I've consumed a lot of information. And when you consume this amount of information, you start to recognize some pretty obvious trends. And one of those trends is that 90% of your success is going to come down to the principles and the fundamentals and not those hyped up and flashy tactics that you hear about all over your Facebook newsfeed. The downside of this is that what I'm about to tell you isn't that sexy. Now the good side is that you can totally scrap all those 500-step funnels and the upsells, downsells, cross-sells, tripwires, all that other garbage that you hear about all the gurus talking about and pitching to you. So what are these 3 elements that I'm talking about? Well, the first one is traffic, and that's a way to get your message in front of your ideal client. The next one is conversion, which is a way to turn that traffic into leads and into clients and customers. And the final piece of the puzzle is retention, a way to take those clients and customers and increase the lifetime value of them, continuing to ascend them up your value ladder and basically building a deeper and more meaningful relationship with your list. That's it. Sexy? Not really. Effective? Darn right it is. If you nail those 3 aspects, you've got a 6 or even 7-figure business really quite easily. But get them wrong and you're going to be stuck, stalled, or stagnant. So when things start getting complicated, just remember, focus on traffic, conversion, and retention, and you'll do great things.